Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming eligibility and assembling proof. This speeds approval. First, check ticket rules. Refundable fares differ from non-refundable, and note any time limits. Next, open your booking using the PNR or confirmation email and make sure the passenger name matches your ID. Once done, collect receipts, boarding passes, and a clear cancellation reason. These items shorten verification, and they let customer service process a refund instead of issuing credit, so prepare digital copies before contacting the airline. Now you submit the actual refund request using the airline portal or form. This creates a formal record. If you booked through an agency or third party, contact them immediately because some agencies control refunds. Make sure to attach required documents and select the correct refund reason, flight cancellation, schedule change, or illness, because that affects approval. Once submitted, take screenshots and record confirmation numbers. These records prove the submission date and details if you need to escalate to a supervisor or regulator later. Finish by monitoring the refund status and verifying your account. Banks often take 7 to 30 days to post refunds. If the portal shows approved but no credit appears, contact the airline with your refund ID and proof of purchase and ask to speak to a supervisor. This speeds resolution. If still stalled, file a dispute with your payment provider using the saved refund reference. If problems persist, provide any requested additional documents promptly. Doing so prevents needless delays and increases the chance of a full refund.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.